imagination is expansive.
Will you be my bridesmaid?
What can I create? What can I make? I'm always coming up with new and exciting things.
So I found a lot of really cool stuff. This is gonna make for some great artwork
To share.
Kylie, thank you for sharing your light with the world. Keep shining, star. Shayla.
I'm getting married! I'm so excited!
My creativity, it can't be contained.
It's really neat to see her actually take real salvage, which is decor salvage here at State Market.
I saw this and I thought this would be a really cool wall art piece.
And really turn it into wall spreads that are unbelievable.
What can I develop into something other than its intended purpose?
Make this either black or gold and then attach this to it and then put this on the wall.
This is an old broken frame. I mean, this is like 10 for $1 stuff at our store. And she'll layer them into art. So she'll actually paint these old, use them as canvas. She actually takes things that everybody else would just be like, gosh, let's go buy some type of shadow box, and actually creates it out of something that someone else would otherwise throw away.
Some say it might be the things you would find in your grandmother's closet. There's really no limit to what you can create.
Cause we're getting married.
I got a magic one and a tiara.
Oh, wow.
I'm a lucky